This is the video for April 9th for the director. We did a few words here. The first one is explain, confirm, advice, and advise. I explained the system. I explained to him how to get there. Can you explain me? No. Can you explain to me? WH, for example, can you explain to me how this happened? Can you explain to me what you want? Can you explain to me what you said? Can you explain to me who he is? Can you explain to me how this happened? Confirm. I confirmed my flight. I reconfirmed my flight. Please confirm the information with Mr. X. Someone sneezed over there, so I should say, bless you. Pattern, to confirm something with somebody. I confirmed this with him. To confirm to, we don't say. Advice. Thank you for your advice. Let me give you some advice. Can I ask you for advice? I have some advice for you. Advise. Verb. So number 3, advice is meishi. Number 4, verb. A advise B. What do you advise? What do you advise I do? I advise. Oh, this is interesting. Hello, director. At the end of the last video, I stopped it because I wanted to make sure of my information. Sometimes when you teach English, you hear mistakes so often that you start thinking, is that right? I have to check. Okay, here are the two words that are very similar. Suggest, S-U-G-G-E-S-T, suggest, and advise. The way we use suggest is very interesting. Let me give you 3 examples. I suggest you study more. I suggest he study more. I suggest she study more. In all of these sentences, notice that study doesn't change. It doesn't say he studies or I study. No, it doesn't change. I suggest you study more. I suggest he study more. I suggest they study more. I suggest she study more. I suggest I study more. They're all the same. However, when we use the word advise, we need to, and it also doesn't change, but we use it. This is an example sentence. I advise you to study more. I advised her to study more, or I advise her to study more. The verb doesn't matter. It could be present tense or past tense, but the point is to doshi, the infinitive. I advise you to study more. I advise you to be careful. I advise her to be careful. I advise him to be careful. Or kakoke, past tense. I advised him to be careful. I advised her to be careful. I advised you to be careful. Okay, so that's how we use it. I hope that makes sense. If not, please send me an email and I will clarify it or make another video. Thank you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.